What's up, ATC gang? Happy Sunday. Welcome back to another week and another video. Today's video is going to be a Halloween undecorate and clean with me. So if you want to see me get my house back to the basics, keep watching. So I'm starting off with removing the 9-foot spider web. This area right here is my coffee bar, and I'm going to take each item down, fold it up, and put it in a Ziploc bag so I can have it for storage for next year. All right, bats, it's been real. Before I get too deep in today's video, I just wanted to greet everyone and thank you for stopping by my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Cicely. I am a disabled mom by way of sickle cell anemia to 2 young boys, and I felt it was important to make content to show the world that if I can take care of my family, even through sickle cell crisis and pain, you can live your life through circumstances too. You're not alone. We can do it together. So I enjoy posting vlogs, clean with me's, home decor, and in general, parenting and lifestyle content. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget about the notification bell so you know anytime I upload. Come on and join the fam. We'd love to have you. So luckily, as far as my potions, one was coffee and the other one was soapy dishwater. So it's coming in handy now because I can just pour it from one bottle to the next to soak it. And then I'm pouring all of the liquids into this cup to prevent me from having to walk back and forth to the sink. Now I'm just taking the time to separate each type of decor, and I will double or triple bag it or double or triple wrap it before I put it in my bins. I just like to make sure everything is protected so that it's good to go when the next season. So as you can see, I have the bats, I have, everything that was up there, the napkins, everything is individually wrapped, and I can put it in this bin.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize.
Oh my goodness, I loved my Halloween decor, but I was so glad to see it come down. And I didn't realize how, dark having the curtains made my living room. I love not having curtains on the window. It just really opened up the room and made everything nice and bright. So I'm just going around the room and taking everything down. Goodbye, Susie. Oh, we're going to miss Susie, guys. So I'm just going to take Susie down, her kids, and just, begin to fold everything and put everything on the coffee table so I can go through it in just a few minutes and have everything nice and organized.
And I said,
I can't believe it's already the end of the year and going into the holidays, and I'm just ready to start a new year. This year's been really good to me overall, and I just wanted to check in with you guys. I really hope everyone is in a great mental space, and if not, I hope you are on your way there. Know that you are not alone. I'm always here if anyone needs to talk, because I know that it can be easier sometimes, just to reach out to someone you don't know, someone that will give you an objective opinion. So I'm just hoping everyone is in a good place. As far as this decor, I'm so glad that it's coming down. Those two little mummies came from the Dollar Tree, so they're very flexible, and I'm just wrapping them up and putting them down. You'll see as I go, there's kind of like a method to the madness as far as how I pack things. And the last thing I put in my bins personally is pillows, just as a last little layer of protection. So that's a tip for you guys for packing away your seasonal decor. Make sure everything is nice and bubble wrapped or wrapped in plastic, and then if you have pillows or curtains, save that for the top of the bins because it'll act as an additional layer of cushion.
Down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss.
Okay, y'all, so now that the Halloween decor is down, I can go ahead and do a little bit of cleaning of my space. It's probably been a couple months since I've cleaned those windows. Y'all, don't tell nobody. In the summertime, I like to actually open them up and take them out because these are the type of windows where they break in half. But since it's cooler outside, I'll just use a paper towel and some spray away to just get them as clean as I possibly can before I move on to wiping down my mirrored artwork that's up on the wall. I'm curious, guys, leave me a comment. How often do you clean your windows at your house?
I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deep.
So I made this mirrored artwork by hand a couple years ago, and although I love it, it is tedious because I have to literally take my time and clean each piece of broken mirror just to ensure I'm not cutting my actual hands. You'll see in a second once I'm done how shredded the artwork did the paper towels. It really tore them up. As you can see right here, it shred my paper towel into pieces, and then I'll show you the paper towel from the window. I am not surprised. It's definitely a little dusty. And look at this side. Yikes. Okay. So now that that's nice and clean, I will move on to wiping off my table. And for this, I'm just going to use a little bit of Mrs. Meyer's.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side.
Guys, I was so winded just from wiping down these pillows, and as you can see, I'm sitting down, but I've just been in so much pain between my sickle cell anemia and bronchitis for the last 2.5, 3 weeks that I just had to sit down and clean. And at first I felt weird like recording a video sitting because I'm normally standing while I'm cleaning, but I'm just trying to learn to give myself grace. It took me probably 2 or 3 days to record this video because I just had to do it in 30-minute increments. So first, let's check out how nasty this pillow water is. But my point is, I just wanted, if anybody needed the reminder, us as moms, as women in general, we do a lot, we take on a lot, and we don't always have the time to properly rest. And I just want you to give yourself grace and realize if you can only clean for 30 minutes today, then that's fine. It will be there tomorrow. Stop and take care of yourself first. That's a lesson I'm learning, and it's a lesson I want to pass along to the next mom, the next woman as well. All right, y'all, let's get these chairs nice and clean. You'll be surprised how dirty your sofas actually are. I never realized it until I cleaned my sofa and I saw the water behind. But what was so good to see are these freaking vacuum lines. Oh my God, it was so satisfying for me. Do you like vacuum lines? Let me know. Maybe I'm the only one.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Okay, to finish off my living room, I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep this rug really quick. It's an indoor-outdoor rug. I love it, and it cleans up beautifully. And oh my God, y'all, look at all this crap that was on my rug. Oh my God. So if you got any type of cleaning motivation from today's video, do me a big favor and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate it as it helps out my channel tremendously. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. So my son's birthday is coming up, so I think we are going to switch over and start doing some party planning videos. So I'm looking forward to that. All right, guys, see you next time.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.